Hey guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video of Quick Guide, and in this video I am going to show you how to add someone to your Slack channel. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to add someone to your Slack channel, you just simply have to open your Slack application at first, and after that just simply open the channel where you want to add someone. I'm opening this demo channel of mine into here, and after that you will directly get the option of add people into here. Just simply tap into that add people option, and now just simply search the username or the email of that person, and then all of the available IDs or usernames will appear. Then after that you just simply have to select the person and then click to this add option at the top right. Then after doing this, that person you have selected will successfully be added to your Slack channel. By following these very easy steps, you can easily add someone to your Slack channel. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.